Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12A of chapter 12, direct and inverse proportions. One question is written here, question number 10. In 8 days, the earth picks up 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 kg of dust from the atmosphere. How much dust will it pick up in 15 days? Here are two terms. First is dust. In first column write dust. Dust. And second column days. Number of days. Number of days. Dust in kg. Dust in kg 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 kg. 10 to the power 7 kg in 8 days. Now, from the atmosphere, how much dust, suppose x kg dust, will it pick up in 15 days? Here one increase, other increase, or one decrease, other decrease. It is in direct variation. So by dV. In direct variation, the ratios of quantities are constant. So 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 by 8 equal to x by 15. That implies by cross multiplication x into 8 equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 into 15. Now that implies x equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 into 15 by 8. 8 ja 64, 6.4, so 0.8. That equal to 0.8 multiplied by 15. So 15 is 120. Decimal after one digit. So 12.0 into 10 to the power 7 kg. It's changed into a standard form. So 1.2 into 10 to the power 7 plus 1, 8 kg answer. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 12. Is written on this board. Ravi walks at the uniform rate of 5 km per hour. What distance would he cover in 2 hours 24 minutes? 2 hours 24 minutes. So 2 hours 24 minute. 2 hours 24 minutes change into minute. 2 hours means 2 into 60 plus 24 minute. 120 plus 24 equal to 144 minutes. Now write in first column distance. Distance. Distance in kilometer. And next, time. Time in minute. Time in minute. Here distance 5 kilometer per hour. So distance 5 kilometer per hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 5 kilometer in 60 minutes. Now 2 hours 24 minutes. That means only 144 minutes. What distance? So let x kilometer distance. By direct variation. By direct variation, 5 by 60 equal to x by 144. That implies x into 60 equal to 5 into 144. That implies x equal to 5 into 144 divided by 60. 12 5 the 60. 12 into 12 144 equal to 12 kilometer. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13. If the thickness of a pile of 12 cardboards in 65 mm, find the thickness of 12 cardboards is 65 mm. Find the thickness of a pile of 312 cardboards. So in first column write number of cardboards. Number of cardboards. And second column write thickness. Thickness in mm, millimeter. Number of cardboards 12. Thickness of 12 cardboards is 65 mm. Now, number of cardboards 312. Thickness suppose x mm. By direct variation, ratios are equal. So 12 by 65 equal to 312 by x. 12 by 65 equal to 312 by x. That implies 12 into x equal to 312 into 65. Now here x equal to 312 into 65 divided by 12 Now first of all divided by 4 times. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 4 7 is 28. 31 minus 28 3. 3 into 32. 4 8 is 32. 78 divided by 3 times. 3 2 is 6 1 and 3 6 is 18. Now multiply 65 by 26. 65 multiplied by 26. 5 6 are 30 of 0 carry 3. 6 6 are 36. 3 39. 5 2 are 10 of 0 carry 1. 6 2 are 12 113. 9 6 1 equal to 1 6 9 0 mm. 1690 mm. Change its first of all into centimeter. 1690 divided by 10. Change it into centimeter. 169 centimeter. 169 centimeter means 1 meter and 69 centimeter answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 15. Renu types 540 words. Renu types 540 words during half an hour. During half an hour, how many words would she type in 8 minutes? So half an hour means 1 by 2 hour equal to 30 minutes. Equal to 30 minutes. So write in first column number of words and second column time in minute. Time in minute. Now write 540 words during half an hour, so 30 minutes. In 8 minutes, time is 8 minutes. How many words? Let x words. By direct variation. By dv. 540 by 30 equal to x by 8. That implies x into 30 equal to 540 into 8. That implies x equal to 540 into 8 divided by 30. Zero to zero cancel, and 18 3 ja 54 equal to 18 8 ja 144 words. Answer of this question. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12A. Thank you. That's all.